How to sign out Amazon account from all the devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can basically sign out of Amazon account from all devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to maybe sign out of your Amazon account from all the devices because your account is all messed up, you've signed in so many devices and now you want to sign out of all those devices, it's very simple. Open the Amazon shopping application here and make sure that you are logged into the account. And from the bottom, just make sure to tap the little profile like icon here, and from the top just navigate to your account. And once you navigate to your account, under account settings you'll find an option known as login and security. Tap on login and security here, and under login and security, if you scroll down again, you'll find an option called compromise the account. So it says take steps like changing your password and signing out everywhere. So one thing that you can do is you can just change your password to log out from everywhere, or you can review the devices manually by tapping the start option here. And over here, first of all, it might also ask you to verify with the code that will be sent to your email most likely. So in my case, I already verified it, so it is not asking to me again. So right here it says 75 apps signed into your Amazon account. Sign out of all apps, devices, and web browsers. To do that, at the bottom, just tap the sign out everything option, tap on continue, and wherever your Amazon account is logged in, everywhere, all the accounts are going to be logged out, and you can also just change your password just to be sure. And this way you will be able to sign out Amazon account from all devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.